Nice and close, like sausages and sardines or something. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. You can see the giggles. The body is shaking. The head is dropping. Stop. On your knees. Go forward. Okay, back it in. Let's cut the light off here in a minute. Let's cut it off. Thank you, gentlemen. Or lady, I don't know what you are. Very scary. Okay, listen to me carefully. Everybody look at me. Don't look at me! I have but one question for you. Which one? Which one? Oh, is that Miss Higgins? Miss Higgins? I'm sorry. You're going back. Get out of my presence. Get out of here, Miss Higgins. You disgust me. Alright, everybody look at me. Don't look at me! I have but one question for you, one question only. And this, yes, Cagmo, this is for you too. Miss Doc, this is for you too. What are you? Chance. Although my court wants to, well, you're all guilty anyway, but I will give you one more chance. What are you? Yes, you are. Look at that!